Benny the bear woke up with a grumble. His porridge was too lumpy.
His favorite red shirt felt itchy.
And itchy.
On the bus, the cheeky chipmunks chattered, but Benny just frowned. Good morning, everyone! Today, let's paint something that makes us happy. I'm gonna paint a big, sunny sun.
But Benny slumped in his chair. He didn't feel happy.
Leela noticed her best friend was sad. What's wrong? I'm just grumpy.
I have an idea. Let's paint a grumpy chaser. A grumpy chaser?
Of course, to chase away grumpies. We'll start with red for courage to fight the grumps. Next is orange for fun. Your turn.
Yellow for sunshine.
With each colorful stripe, Benny's grumpy cloud got smaller until it vanished completely. Standing back, they looked at their bright, beautiful rainbow. Benny was beaming. Thank you, Leela. You're the best grumpy chaser ever!
And Benny learned that even on the grumpiest day, a good friend and a splash of color can help you find your smile.
Don't miss a single adventure. Subscribe to Kisco Learning today and join our growing family.